Have you heard about the new Apple Cash app for digital payments? She searched for it extensively but did not find sufficient answers. In this informative video, we will provide you with all the essential details and insights about Apple Cash, including how it works and its benefits. Apple Cash is a financial app designed specifically for iOS devices. It is now available in the messaging app. Apple created it to help its users in sending and receiving money from another party quickly, easily, and conveniently. This innovative application aggregates and tracks all the funds that have been sent in a secure virtual card stored safely inside a digital wallet. It's an app designed for securely storing credit cards, debit cards, event tickets, and various others. This innovative app helps you easily send and receive money securely through your favorite messaging app. It is possible to use the Siri system to pay someone in your contacts. When sending money to someone, your virtual card will be used for the transaction. However, it can be changed to debit cards or include both debit and credit cards together if you don't have sufficient funds available on the card. The app also includes a convenient payment cancellation feature for users. It can be used in situations where the recipient does not or will not accept it. The total amount that was sent. Money received is automatically added to your child's card, which helps you either transfer the desired amount to your linked bank account or purchase products securely through Apple Pay services. Or alternatively, use it directly to pay someone securely through the Apple Cash app. At the beginning of using the app, a notification message is sent every day for 7 days to remind you to accept the funds that have been transferred to you. After this, the conversion becomes automatic. To effortlessly send and receive money from another person directly within the Messages app using Apple Cash on your iPhone or iPad, minimum age 18 years, and have a compatible Apple device running on iOS version 11.2 or higher, or a newer version such as watchOS 4.2 or later updates. Setting up two-factor authentication for your Apple ID. You need to log into your iCloud account using your Apple ID credentials. On which device do you want to use to send or receive money for your transactions? Adding an eligible debit card to your wallet app for convenient use. Apple Cash is available for use on iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch devices. Running iOS 11.2 or later versions of iOS or watchOS 4.2 or any of its later versions. Here is a detailed list of compatible electronic devices. There are strict limits to your Apple Cash card balance amount. The maximum amount that can be sent and delivered in a single message. The maximum amount you can transfer to your bank account. Allowed maximum balance. After verifying your identity, the amount is $20,000. And if you happen to be part of the Apple Cash family group, this total amount will be reduced down to just $4,000. As for the minimum amount of money you are allowed to send or receive, using Apple Cash is $1 within a maximum of 7 full days. If you are a member of the Apple Cash family, the maximum limit is set at $2,000. The minimum amount required when adding funds to your Apple Cash card is $10. It is $10. The maximum allowable amount is $10,000. As for Apple Cash family users, the minimum amount remains at $10. However, the maximum amount decreases to a new limit of $2,000. Enter Apple Cash app. Click on Setup now. According to the written terms outlined in the instruction manual, proceed with the initial setup by following the provided guidelines, and once everything is in place, click on the Done button to complete the process. There you'll find two options, send and receive. Click on the right side of the screen and you will find more options, including selecting the bank account you want to top up from and specifying the bank account you want to transfer money to. This method of receiving funds, which can be either automatic or manual, is reliable. Notification options are available. Music, Enable two-factor authentication today for added security for your Apple ID. Go to the device settings and select Wallet and Apple Pay. Select the Apple Pay Cash option from the list of available payment methods, and Apple Cash will be automatically added to your digital wallet's payment cards. Tap on the Apple Cash card and follow the instructions. First, you need to deposit some money into your Apple Cash account. Click on the Add Money button, then specify the desired amount and select the corresponding bank account. After depositing funds to send money, open the iMessage app on your device. Enter the conversation between you and your friend to whom you want to send the money for the event. The Apple Pay icon is at the bottom. Click on the designated button, select the specific amount you wish to send, and then press the Pay option. Now you need to confirm the transfer by using either Touch ID, Face ID, or by entering your Apple ID password to authenticate and complete the transaction. Enter the amount and press Request to ask for money. To withdraw money from your AbiCash account, click on the three dots located on the right side of the screen. Select Transfer to Bank. Enter the required amount to reveal the hidden Next button. You will see two options, the Instant Transfer option and the account you want to transfer to. However, there is a small fee and the entire process takes about 2 minutes. There is also a free transfer option available, but it will take approximately 2 to 3 business days to complete. Select what suits you best, then click on the Transfer button. As you can see, the balance will become 0, which means the transfer has been completed. Subscribe to the channel for the latest updates and exclusive content.